Melsiha, welcome back to samaartmedia. I hope that all are doing good. Today we are going to see how to make handmade frame with available things or useless things at our home. I didn't bring anything from outside for this, only I am using available things at my home. I am using calendar and cut it according to the height and width of the painting to be framed. Now I am adding strength with jute ribbon to the frame by rolling it tightly. Next, using glue gun for pasting all the four corners. Now the plain frame is ready. I can do more decorations like making flowers and leaves around the frames. I am doing few for this. Here I am showing how to make it. Finally I am using black and gold acrylic for the frames for more decorations, but you can use any colors as per your wish. the beautiful artwork is ready. Now it's beautiful hanging in the wall in my house. You can do any kind of painting and framing it as per your wish and make your home more beautiful like this. This floral painting is done on my childhood writing pad, which I have shown in previous video. Please just you watch it. I don't want to throw it away, so I made a painting on it, and now it becomes very beautiful, my childhood writing pad. Because of this, I am making this handmade frame. I meet you in my next painting. Bring out your hidden treasure of imaginations in you as painting. Use your imaginations. Achieve the picture what you want. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.